Hey guys, Grant Warrington with Warrington Group. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys about a furnace, high efficiency furnace, and where it exits on the exterior of the house and what to look out for. Because unfortunately in southeast Michigan here where we live, downriver, the snow's coming. And one thing that happens is people will pile snow up and your furnace won't be able to breathe. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here I'm showing you the hot water tank, and the hot water tank fumes exit out that ductwork and into the chimney. And the furnace used to as well, but here we put a new furnace in, and it's a high efficiency furnace. And that white PVC pipe you see is now the fumes exit out of that, and we'll follow it around here and exit out the back of the house. So I'm going to go outside and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about on the back of the house. So here's where the pipe discharges out the back of the house. The issue is with the snow, a lot of people tend to snow blow their snow onto the side of the house, depending where their driveway is, and they cover this pipe up. That's a huge problem. It can cause a lot of issues. Your furnace isn't going to run right, and it's also a health issue, because your furnace isn't venting properly. So this one happens to come out of the back of the house, but sometimes they're on the side of the house by the driveway, and that's where you run into a lot of problem. Also, if you get a lot of snow, you might want to make sure that this is the snow is away from this so your furnace can breathe properly. Again, I hope this helped you. I hope you learned a little bit more about a furnace, and I appreciate you watching. So thanks a lot. Leave in the comments if you'd like me to do a video about anything else in the future that you might need some help with. So thanks again. Bye.